Hi, I'm Gary with PremierOne Products. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about indoor air pollution. The ironic thing is, the nicer your home is, the more energy efficient it is, the more polluted the air is in the house. The Environmental Protection Agency tells us that the air in our homes is 2 to 5 times more polluted than the worst exterior air. The Center for Disease Control has pointed out to us that we have 3 main types of pollutants in the homes. We have particles, germs, and gases. The reason for this is when our homes are built now, we have thermal pane windows, we insulate it very well, we wrap the homes in plastic, and that does keep the heat in the winter and the cold air in the summer, but it also locks in all the other pollutants, and then result is we're living and breathing in a chemical soup. So in this presentation, I want to talk about particles. The neat thing is that we do have an air handler in the home, and 3 times per hour when this is operating, all the air in the house goes through this air handler. In this case, there's a very, very nice big media filter in this system, and that's doing a really good job of keeping the blower clean, the evaporator clean, the heat exchanger clean, the ductwork, and maintaining the equipment. But the particles that actually cause asthma and allergy are so tiny they go right through it. So the easiest way to look at that is if you put a chain link fence around your backyard, that would be 100% efficient in keeping your neighbor's dog out. The flies and gnats are going to go right through it. The same thing's happening here, and it's really a shame. We're spending the electricity to bring all the air in the home through the system, but yet we're not taking out the particles that cause asthma and allergies. The correction for this is we can supplement that very nice media filter with a PremierOne HEPA unit. And this is a motor-driven HEPA unit. It takes air out of the plenum through the HEPA unit, puts it back into the plenum, so the air handler doesn't even know anything's here. This will take the dust mite debris and the tiny particles out of the air, supplementing your nice media filter, and in turn, that'll alleviate allergies, indoor air quality problems, and make the home a lot healthier place to live in. So we have a very nice media filter on this system, and that's going to protect the equipment. We can add to that, we can supplement it with a PremierOne HEPA unit. This HEPA unit takes air out of the return plenum. It actually takes it through a pre-filter. There's a blower motor, and then the HEPA filter blowing the air back in. This will take out the dust mite debris, the small particles that cause asthma and allergies and create our health issues. The pre-filter's changed every 6 months, the HEPA filter every 2 years. So a really nice way to supplement a media filter. This is helping with the asthma and allergies. The media filter is helping to maintain your equipment and give it a long life. So the two together is really a perfect matchup to get in clean indoor air. Okay, so we've taken care of particles. We have particles, germs, and gases. The HEPA unit mixed with this media filter is removing the particles. The next thing we're going to do is talk about germs and gases with this UV unit. The first thing that comes to mind is why do we get colds and flus in the winter and not so much in the summer? And it's really just the length of the days. In the summer, we have the very intense ultraviolet light from the sun. The bacteria and viruses that cause cold and flus can't survive outside. So in the summer, we do well. When we get to fall, the days get shorter. That's cold and flu season. You get your flu shots. We're the sickest in January. Next spring comes around, it all magically disappears. We can actually take the power of the sun and put it in the ductwork of the system with a very high microwatt UV unit. And again, as we get all the air in the house through here 3 times per hour, we can deactivate those microorganisms the same as the sun does outside and lessen the spread of colds and flus to your family year round. So a real nice supplement. You still have to do hand washing and normal things to try to stay healthy in the winter. This is just one more tool we can use to maintain our health. The other thing this can do, the same as outdoors again, this unit's able to oxidize odors, so cooking odors, pet odors, musty smells. There's an adjustable part at the bottom that makes friendly oxidizers that will break up those gas molecules and just make the home smell better and be more pleasant to live in. Same as what's going on outdoors. If you don't want to do that, we have a model that doesn't have the oxidation part with just a germicidal to neutralize bacteria and viruses as they flow through. So 2 options on that side. But with this 403 unit along with the HEPA, we're attacking all 3 problems of indoor air pollution, the particles, germs, and gases. It's a great combination with the media filter. If you have asthma and allergies, you'll notice a huge difference, and I think it's something you'll really like for the health of your family. Any questions, please take a look at our website at PremierOneProducts.com.